Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will design the stats bar section for our developer website. To do that, first go to your WordPress dashboard, then hit all pages. I have to find home page, this one, and hit edit with Elementor, and then go to home page. Wait a bit. This one. Okay, now to start the design I need to take a container. This one. First go to edit container, style, then take a background color. I will take this color OD OF, this one, and then go to advanced tab, and I need to take padding. Top will be 50 pixel, perfect, and bottom would be 50 pixel as well. Okay, now go to add element and search counter, this one. Check this widget and edit. Okay, so I will take 110 and number prefix, not prefix, suffix will be plus, and title would be projects completed. Okay, now go to style, go to number, and FFA 802, this color. Go to typography, font family will be GM Sans, and nothing need to be changed here. I'll keep it as it is. Then go to title, color would be 878 E99, this one. And the typography, font family would be DM Sans, and size will be 16. Perfect. Now it's completed. So now I just duplicate this widget and place this widget in this column. Okay, now I will edit this widget, this one, and this one will be years of experience. Okay, years experience, for this is perfect. Now go to style, go to number, and change the color, this one. Now it's complete. Now again I will duplicate this widget and place it to the next column. Okay, now edit 99. This would be percentage, not 5%. Yeah, and text would be clients satisfaction. Clients satisfaction. Yeah, perfect. Again, I will duplicate this widget and take this widget to the next column. Oh, I have to change the number color. Okay, so go to style tab and then go to number, change the color. Color will be this one. Yeah, this one. Perfect. Now I will edit this widget. This widget will be 20 and K plus, and this one perfect, K plus, and title will be numbers of students and numbers of student. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now publish it and go to preview changes. Okay, perfect, it's working. Then go back to my edit panel. I need to check for responsiveness. Yeah, it looks weird. I need to fix it. First go to this widget, then go to title, typography, #14. Perfect. Then go to this widget, go to color, and then typography will be 14. Yeah, perfect. And then this one, go to typography, size will be 14, and this one, go to style, then title, typography will be 14. Okay, now perfect. Go to mobile view. Yeah, mobile view is perfect, totally fine. I'm totally okay with this. Okay, so now go to desktop view and hit publish. Yeah, perfect. Okay, the status bar section is complete. The next day I will design the section called YouTube tutorial section. Till then, goodbye.